I want to sing like birds sing, not worrying who listens or what they think. By Rumi. And this week I've been talking about the things that hold us back. Time and time again, the things that hold us back. What other people think? Or more importantly, what we think other people don't think. We stop ourselves in our track, trying new things, exciting, different, scary. And the first thing that we say is, but I can't because of. What will they think? What if I fail? And all of these things manifest inside our own head, are created within our own head. What happens if there was no one to think what you would do? What if realistically no one cared? What if, even more importantly, everyone wanted you to try it and wanted you to succeed? Would you do it then? You look at